Manually entering ingredients one by one can be time-consuming, especially for complex recipes. If you want to skip manual data entry entirely, you can opt for the AI Recipe to Label feature that automatically parses your recipe, calculates nutrition values, and saves you time. To get started, log into your Food Label Maker account and you'll find the AI Recipe Setup button in the top right corner. Now, copy and paste your recipe text into the box or upload your file. To make sure the AI parser correctly extracts your data, you should include clear quantities, units, and specific ingredient names with each item on a new line. For our example, we're using an organic granola bars recipe. We'll paste the full list exactly as it is. Once your recipe text is ready, click the Generate button. The AI parser will instantly read the text, match every item from our granola bar list to our nutrition database of over 500,000 verified ingredients, convert all units to grams, and automatically flag potential allergens like almonds. Finally, review the parsed ingredients on your screen. Remember, you can easily edit or replace any items manually if needed. When everything looks correct, save your recipe to generate your final nutrition facts label.